This 2018 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton Series 29 RESWE is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.